So hello everyone, I'm the founder of LinkInsertion.ai that does link insertion on autopilot. What it does is, given the URL and some details about your website, it automatically finds relevant articles from the internet, look for the editor emails, write personalized pitches, and send them via Google without your manual intervention. So this is what the studio looks like. You have to answer a couple of questions. Your domain name, what does your website do, who are your competitors, your name and designation for the email signature, what niche your website is about, and what makes you different from your competitors. And then it runs a campaign for you autonomously. So for example, currently we are running a campaign for one of our clients, which is Video to Flip. I believe they are doing very interesting work. As you can see, they convert video into a printed flip book that you can send to your loved ones. And this is a campaign that is currently running right now, and you can see it has found so far about 23 relevant opportunities along with the editor contacts. And if you click on view email, you can see what email was sent out from the client's connected email account. And you can see it is very personalized, that it mentioned the blog URL it is referring to, and mentions that, hey, you are talking about this stuff in your article which is relevant to what I do. So it would be great if you would like to add this in your article. It would be a great value for your readers to read this article. And this is the current pricing of our platform. Right now this is on discount at the moment, and so there are three packages. In the beginner one, of course, you can do 100 opportunities per month, but there is no email verification. There is email verification, sorry, but there is no automated follow-up emails. So in this our starter plus package, we also offer the follow-up emails feature. And if you want to scale to large number of opportunities, then you should target our pro plan, where we allow you to reach out to 1,000 opportunities. And so yeah, and if you want to test, feel free to give it a try using a free freemium package. It does not require your any credit card or any sign up. Thank you.